Applying mounting tape can be tricky sometimes. Follow the instructions and you will get it just right.
Step 1. Wash the area where you want to stick the holder with dish soap and rinse it well. Let it completely dry. The adhesive won't work on wet or oily surfaces.
Place the panel where you want it to work. Make sure the panel base can completely touch the inner wall of the sink. Otherwise, the holder won't have enough area to stick on.
For demonstration, the backing paper has been removed. You can keep it on and only remove it before the first use.
Step 3. Use the colorful tape to mark the middle point of the panel's base. Step 4. Tips. You can use the paper clip to lift the film's corner up and peel it off from there. Avoid touching the adhesive layer. Hold the holder so that its center is in front of the marking tape. Don't let the adhesive layer touch the sink yet. Use your finger to feel if the holder's top edge is aligned with the sink's top edge. This is important to make sure that the holder is level. Step 6. Firmly press the holder against the sink's inner wall to secure it. If you notice air bubbles, press firmly to get them out. Let the holder rest at least 60 minutes before first use. It takes 24 hours for the adhesive to fully cure. Remove the backing paper if you haven't done so. Step 7. Insert the panel in the holder and start washing. You can move the panel a bit if needed. When you need to install a new holder, use an old plastic card. Insert the card into one corner and slide it in to separate the adhesive from the sink. Pull the holder up and down slowly to completely remove it. If there is any residue, use the card to scrape them off.